Hello everyone, Blake here at Mercedes-Benz Kamloops, located at 695C Laval Crescent. Today we're taking a look at our 2017 Mercedes-Benz CLA Sport. Now this vehicle was actually owned by one of our employees, part of the employee lease program. So they have it for 1 year and they return it, and we get to resell it with a big discount on it. This vehicle is equipped with Cosmo black metallic exterior paint. It's only been registered in BC since new. Now this one has the Premium Package, Premium Plus Package, AMG Sport Performance Package, and powered by the 2-liter turbocharged engine. The AMG Sport Performance Package is a very unique package with the CLA lineup. It gives you a lot of the red accenting around the vehicle. When we jump inside, you'll see exactly what it offers for the interior. Even with the brake calipers are red, and on the front there's a bit of a red line around all the grille and stuff like that. And it just makes it look really sharp. Really has a different vehicle than the other CLAs out there on the market. On the driver's side door panel, you have power windows, power locks, pretty standard with the Mercedes-Benz lineup. You do have the memory seating package along with the Harman Kardon Sound System. Nice red accent stitching on the door panel there. It really sharpens it up. As you can see too, the more red accenting around the vehicle gives it that unique look. You have the really nice sport seats, super comfortable for long road trips. This vehicle only has 8,451 kilometers on it since new. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you have all your menu control options. On the right-hand side, you do have your volume control, your Bluetooth, and your voice command. As you notice, you do have some paddle shifters with this CLA. You can put into a manual mode when driving down the highway or city. Gives it a bit of a different driving experience. Now, how the screen is flickering there, that's just because it's on my iPhone, and on my end, it's crystal clear. This vehicle also has a rear vision camera. All the accents around all the vents below that. All your media player controls, heated front seats, dynamic select. You can put the vehicle into different driving modes, and it makes a big difference, especially on that sport mode. Below that is all your climate control settings, and you got some storage down below, and this is how you can control your media player. Let's go take a peek in the back seat. There's 2 seats in the front, 3 in the back, gives you a total of 5. Now the rear seats do fold down if you like a little bit more storage in the back. I'm just going to do a bit of a scan from the rear seat. If you have any questions about the CLA, my name's Blake. I work at Mercedes-Benz Kamloops. Have a great day.